Imagine waking up every morning, opening your dashboard, and seeing guaranteed revenue sitting right there. My name is Adam Infroy, and in this video, I'm giving you a direct look at what the Adsterra loading method is doing every single day. Take a look at these live statistics. We are generating a guaranteed minimum of $100 every day, starting from day 1. There is no long waiting period, no complicated scaling process, and no guesswork involved. You don't need a powerful computer or high-spec hardware to run this. A basic, normal device is all it takes to keep the bot active and working for you. Plus, you don't need to create a website, pay for hosting, or deal with web design. All you need is a simple Adsterra direct link, and you are good to go. The pricing is completely clear and upfront. The entire Adsterra loading method package costs a flat, one-time payment of $250. There are no extra investments required, no monthly subscriptions, and zero hidden charges. You can make your payment easily using Binance, USDT, or Payout. If you are hesitant or want to ensure this is 100% real, I invite you to verify it yourself. Reach out to me, and I will jump on a live AnyDesk session with you to show you my real, unedited Adsterra account live on screen. Stop settling for low-yield methods and take action today. Message me through the details in the description below to get instant access to the Adsterra loading method.